Hello everyone, this is our Xtreme 3.0 series. This is 2GB model. We are showing you the speed of this system, how fast it works. Mainly it is a lag-free series. I will open the maps and you can see the performance of the system. It is instantly open. I will search any place here, like cannot place and directions. So you can see how fast it is working without any lag or without any delay. The navigation is started. The area is not loading because of the internet issue only. Otherwise it is working. You can decenter it and navigation will start. Okay, so other feature I will show you. The main thing in this series is it's sound quality. I will show you its DSP EQ. Okay, this is a equalizer. It has 36 bands, other different bands, and you can set the field as well where the sound balance has to be more. Okay, we have also the surround sound in it. Then we have stereo sound enhancement. This will enhance the sound output of the song, any music you are playing. This is for bass. If you want to increase the bass, it is for car speakers. You can increase the bass of your car speakers. And this is sound filter. It will filter out the noise if there is some noise in the music, etc. or other things. I will set it to default for now. And we move on to the YouTube. Okay, I will also show you the split screen in this one and how is the performance if I am using two apps at the same time. Just let the YouTube load. Okay, I will just play any video here. Okay, so now I have played the video. Okay, just let it load. Okay, now I will show you the split screen along with it. On the one side I will be using YouTube, and on the other side I will be using navigation. Okay, on this side I will open the map. Okay, so this now on the one side YouTube is playing, on the other side navigation is already running. And you can also adjust how much space you want to give to the YouTube or the maps. One more thing I will show you in this model is Google Assistant. You can start navigation from just here only. I will just show you the demo. Navigate me to Mayur Vihar, Delhi. It will search the place, and navigation will also start instantly in just 2 seconds itself. Okay, so it has start the navigation to my new location, which is
head southeast on Girajadevi Mark toward Mandalia Road.
And one thing I will also show you in this model is wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Currently iPhone is not connected, otherwise in the device wireless CarPlay will be connected, and Android Auto will also work wireless. You do not need any wire to connect again and again. One